If you own a dog or a cat, you already know the struggle. You vacuum your couch, and 30 minutes later, it looks like a golden retriever exploded on it. You wear black jeans for one afternoon, and suddenly you're wearing more dog hair than fabric. So today, we're solving that problem once and for all. I've gone through 5 of the highest rated pet hair removal gloves on Amazon right now, and I'm ranking them from good to the one you should actually buy it. We're talking grooming gloves, desk heading mitts, and electrostatic hair lifting gloves for carpets, couches, car seats, clothes, and your actual pet. Stick around till the end, because number 1 is the one I genuinely recommend to a friend. Let's get into it. Starting off at number 5, we've got the Electrostatic Pet Hair Remover Glove, the single-piece, reusable version. This one's built for people who want a no-fuss, reusable alternative to sticky lint rollers. It uses electrostatic technology, basically static electricity, to grab pet hair, lint, and dust off fabric with simple left-to-right strokes. No rolling, no pressing, no buying refill sheets ever again. It's made from a breathable mesh fabric, so your hand doesn't overheat while you're using it, and the 5-finger design gives you more control when you're working around furniture edges or seams. It's on the larger side too, at about 9.25 by 6.69 inches, which means fewer strokes to cover a couch cushion or a car seat. Where it lands at number 5 is really about versatility. It's fantastic for furniture, carpets, and clothing, but it's a single unit, not a pair, so if you're planning to use both hands at once for a bigger cleaning job, you'll want to keep that in mind. Still, for the price, it's a solid, reusable pickup that replaces a drawer full of sticky rollers. At number 4, we have the G's Cat Grooming Glove Brush. This one shifts gears a bit. It's less about lifting hair off your couch and more about grooming your pet directly, while doubling as a surface cleaner for carpets, furniture, and clothes. It's built with 259 silicone grooming tips in an enhanced 5-finger layout, designed to feel like a gentle massage rather than a brush dragging through fur. The wrist strap is adjustable, so it fits snugly whether you've got small hands or large ones, and it works for both left and right hands in the same pair. One detail worth mentioning: the back of the glove uses a breathable mesh panel, so during longer grooming sessions, especially with a squirmy cat who does not want to sit still, your hand stays cool and comfortable. It's genuinely great for long, short, and curly-haired pets, and yes, it technically works on horses too if that's relevant to your household. It lands at 4 because it leans more toward pet grooming than deep furniture cleaning, but if shedding season has your cat leaving hair everywhere, this earns its spot fast. Coming in at number 3, the Delomo Upgraded Efficient Pet Hair Remover Gloves sold as a pair. This is where things start to get more serious. You get 255 silicone grooming tips per glove, and because it comes as an actual pair, one for your left hand, one specifically designed for your right, you can groom or clean with both hands simultaneously. That alone cuts your cleaning or grooming time close to in half. It doubles as a bath brush too. You can use it directly in the tub to shampoo your pet while it's gently massaging their skin and loosening dead hair at the same time, so bath time becomes grooming time. The 5-finger design means you can actually get into harder to reach spots, like around the tail, the legs, or your pet's face, without switching tools. It's built to be skin-friendly on your pet. No scratching, no pulling, and the adjustable wrist strap means a snug, secure fit no matter your hand size. For pet owners who want an efficient 2-handed system that handles both grooming and bath time, this is a serious contender, which is exactly why it lands solidly in our top 3. At number 2, and this one genuinely surprised me, the NVNAN 2-in-1 desk heading brush and massage mitt, sold in a 2-pack. This is the most do-it-all option on the list. It's marketed as an all-in-one grooming solution, and it earns that label. The finger-like silicone design digs deep into the undercoat, the layer underneath your pet's top coat where most loose hair actually hides, similar to how a dedicated desk-heading brush works, but with the comfort of a glove. It's loaded with 260 premium silicone nubs, giving it a hand-like massage feel that pets genuinely seem to enjoy rather than tolerate. It works during bath time as a washing glove and dry as a standard desk-heading tool, so it's flexible depending on your routine. The adjustable wristband lets you customize the palm fit, which matters more than people expect. A glove that's too loose slips around and loses effectiveness fast. And because you're getting 2 gloves in this pack, it's genuinely built for two-handed use, whether that's to people in a multi-pet household or just faster grooming for one. It's suitable for short, long, and curly-haired pets, dogs, cats, and horses alike, and the lost hair simply sticks to the glove for an easy peel and toss cleanup with no leftover residue on your pet's skin. This is an easy top to pick for anyone whose pet sheds heavily and wants grooming and bathing handled by one tool. And at number 1, the glove I'd actually recommend first if a friend asked me, the upgraded 5-finger electrostatic pet hair glove for cats and dogs. Here's why this one takes the top spot. It solves the biggest complaint people have with pet hair tools: waste. Instead of buying sticky paper rollers over and over, this glove is fully washable and reusable. Just shake off the debris or rinse it under water, and it's ready to go again. Over a year, that's real money saved, and less plastic waste too. It's also one of the larger gloves on this list, at 9.25 by 6.69 inches, with an upgraded 5-finger grip that's specifically designed not to slip around your hand, which sounds minor until you're 45 minutes into cleaning a couch and your other options keep sliding off. The technology here is electrostatic. It uses static electricity to lift lint, pet hair, and dust with simple, gentle left-to-right strokes. No aggressive scrubbing, no rolling, no stopping every few seconds to peel off a sticky sheet. It's made from a breathable mesh fabric, so it stays comfortable through longer sessions, and it's genuinely versatile: clothing, bedding, sofas, carpets, car seats, you name it. If it's fabric, this glove works on it. What puts it at number 1 is the combination of size, grip, reusability, and sheer surface coverage. It's not just a grooming tool, it's a full household pet hair solution. If I had to recommend just one glove off this entire list, this is it. So that's our top 5 pet hair removal gloves, from reusable electrostatic gloves to desk-heading grooming mitts that double as bath tools. All 5 are linked in the description below, so you don't have to go digging through Amazon yourself. Just click, compare, and pick the one that fits your household best. And if your dog is still sleeping on the bare floor while you're busy solving the hair problem, go watch my last video, Top 5 Best Dog Beds on Amazon. I'll link that one right on screen and in the description too. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you in the next one.